In Mitchell v. Texas Gulf Sulphur, we explore how courts measure damages in security fraud cases. Walter Mitchell owned stock in Texas Gulf Sulphur, or TGS. In November 1963, TGS drilled into a geological anomaly near Timmins in Ontario, Canada. The company's chief geologist concluded that the material was ore grade, containing copper, zinc, and silver. At that point, the geologist couldn't estimate the size of the find. TGS soon bought almost all the potentially promising land around the drill site. In early April 1964, TGS drilled additional core samples, which likewise proved promising. Between April 10th at 7 in the evening and April 12th at 7 in the evening, TGS conducted additional drilling that confirmed the existence of a sizable ore deposit. To quell rumors about its find, TGS released an official statement on the afternoon of April 12th. Although the statement claimed that it was based on drilling done to date, it didn't include any information acquired after 7 p.m. on April 10th. The statement advised that more drilling was required to evaluate the prospects of the find properly. The statement added that the drilling done so far wasn't conclusive. On the morning of April 16th, TGS released a second statement detailing the magnitude of the ore found near Timmins. On April 16th, Mitchell visited his broker. Based on the April 12th statement, which seemed to quash speculation of a valuable ore deposit near Timmins, Mitchell instructed his broker to sell 400 of his TGS shares. The next day, Mitchell directed his broker to sell 20 additional shares that Mitchell had overlooked. The final shares weren't sold until April 23rd. Mitchell claimed that he wasn't aware of the April 16th statement until after he sold all his shares. Unhappy that stock prices continued to rise after he sold, Mitchell sued TGS in federal court for violations of Section 10b of the Securities Exchange Act of 1934 and Associated Rule 10b-5. The trial court found that the April 12th statement was materially misleading and fraudulent, and that Mitchell relied on it in deciding to sell his stock. The trial court awarded Mitchell damages based on the average highest daily stock price between April 16th and May 13th. The parties appealed to the 10th Circuit, both objecting to the amount of damages.